Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your laptop is making a buzzing sound and you can't seem to fix it. So first open the search menu. Now type in control panel. Now select the first result that appears. In the control panel window, you'll need to go to the sound tab. Now in the sound settings panel, you'll need to go to the recording tab first. Now right click on your microphone and then select properties. Now go to this listen tab and make sure this listen to this device option is unchecked. If it's checked, go ahead and untick it. Now click on this apply and then hit OK. Now go to this playback tab. Now right click on your speakers and select properties. In here you will need to go to this enhancements tab. Now make sure to select this disable all enhancements option. Now hit apply and then OK. Now select OK again. However, if your laptop still makes that buzzing sound, right click on the start icon and select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you'll need to expand this audio input and output devices. Now right click on your default speakers. So for me it's this Realtek audio. Right click on it and select uninstall. Now click on uninstall again. Now scroll down and tap on this sound option. Now find your speakers in here again. For me it's Realtek audio, for you it may be different, but you should be able to find them easily from here. Right click on it and select uninstall device. Now make sure to tick this checkbox and click on uninstall again. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your laptop and your issue will be solved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.